Good day, friends. In this video, I want to tell you about the arsenal of trading terminals of the AE Exchange. AE Exchange offers its clients two trading terminals, a web terminal and a desktop terminal. And in this video, I will try to explain their differences and capabilities. I will start with the desktop terminal because it's an older development. Both terminals are developed by our company LAFT, Laboratory of Advanced Financial Technologies. Our first development is the Option Lab terminal, and AE Exchange is a custom version of the Option Lab terminal. The development began in 2006, and now the terminal is used for trading at the world exchanges. At the American Exchange, at the Moscow Exchange, our system took first places in competitions among trading terminals. And now let me briefly tell you about the functionality of the desktop terminal of the AE Stock Exchange. You can download the program in your personal cabinet, generate a key there, and then install the program. The desktop terminal has some limitations. It can be used only on Windows from version 7 to today. What can this terminal be of interest to us? Over many years of development, the terminal has been perfected and is popular among option traders. The program is excellent when working with multiple monitors. In this window, you can see your accounts, your history of accounts, review your strategies online. Among the algorithms, you have the possibility to launch pre-made robots that work on the exchange servers. There are robots for trading options, trading with pre-made strategies, and for delta hedging. You can look up the whole list of robots in the manual or by launching the terminal yourself. After you start the robots, they work at the server, so they will continue their work after you turn off the terminal. Next, we have a whole set of different calculators, regular, vertical, custom, in which you can add different options and different assets. We have an option spread calculator and an option strategy monitor. I'm not going to go too in depth, you can see it all for yourself. Naturally, we have an option strategy builder, a volatility curve editor, where you can create your own curves to trade options, trade volatility, and apply delta hedging. There are charts with historical volatility data. The terminal is designed specifically for trading derivatives, options, and futures. The terminal is unlike anything else, as it was originally created by traders for their personal convenience, and so that they could trade with a large number of instruments at exchanges like CME. The Option Lab website has all the detailed information if you are interested. Yes, there are limitations. The terminal works only on Windows operating system, and it may not be very convenient for some people to install the terminal on a computer, so we have developed a cross-platform web terminal. Web terminal is younger, it is only a couple of years old, we're actively improving it, and here we also have a full set of features. In the Tools window, you can see all open windows. Here you can see all the charts with all the features and additional indicators. Of course, there are historical volatility indicators. In this window, you can watch positions and track online changes of the strategy, its P&L, and so on. Below is a set of robots. Delta hedgers, delta rehedgers, market maker options, an option emulation robot, a robot combo for trading entire option combinations. There's also a ladder robot, a new trend robot that follows the price and creates the necessary orders. The robots are also working at our servers, so even if you leave the terminal, they will continue to work. Next, you can open an infinite number of windows in the terminal. You only need to scroll down to see them all. Add any number of option boards with different option series and charts. There are no limits. You can see the P&L of the strategies you are modeling, all the option Greeks, do all the necessary calculations in the options board, which is also a calculator. And here you can see messages and news about terminal updates, for example. And terminal has a chat where you can write messages and share files, for example, screenshots. You can also write messages to the help desk. Web terminal and desktop terminal are completely independent systems. If there's a problem with one system, the second one continues to work. You can combine two terminals, but be careful when working with robots so that they do not conflict with each other. The web terminal is written with JavaScript and the desktop terminal is written with C++. And that's all I wanted to tell you today. If you still have questions about the terminal functionality, ask him in the comments. Use our terminal, trade to your heart content. If you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed yet. I wish you all the best and successful options trading.